guys, and thanks for joining us. We have just checked in to Brighouse Premier Inn. We've got a family room and we are staying in room 122.
Evening.
So here we go, and as we walk in we've got a mirror and coat hooks, the wardrobe. Yeah, and as you can see, it is quite a big family room.
A hairdryer.
Oh, we've got a hairdryer.
Yeah.
We've also got a fan.
Is there?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, and extra pillows up top in the wardrobe.
Yeah.
There's code and go.
And first time we've seen this, USBs next to the beds. Yeah, first time we've seen that.
I didn't know.
Is that on both sides?
Yes.
Oh, on both sides.
So that's a big plus.
And we've even got a chair.
Very
That's
nice, isn't it? Well, it's two chairs.
Well, yeah, but you normally get the
Well,
dressing
we
chair, but
saw-
we've never had one with one of them chairs in
saw-
before.
We saw these
Yeah.
in the other hotels.
And we've got kettle, spoons, mugs, glasses, milk, tea, coffee, sugar. Yeah. Oh, it's also airconned
And heating.
and
I
heated.
don't know where the aircon is.
And the bathroom is your usual Premier Inn bathroom.
Toilet.
Toilet, sink,
Bath.
and bath.
I'm going to have a bath tonight.
And shower.
Yep. Towels. There's towels.
Oh, and a towel rail.
And a soap.
And the soap and the shampoo.
Power sockets, obviously all your connections.
Oh yeah, all your connections under the TV.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of power sockets.
And one thing we found unusual was the windows,
Lamp.
because you got sliding windows and opening windows.
So it's triple glazing,
Mum,
and you
there's a
can actually,
lamp.
yeah, and the lamp as well. Yeah, it's triple glazing. Plus you can open the windows, which you normally can't do in a Premier Inn because they're normally locked. But them ones are open. Yeah, we're next to a busy road here.
Yeah, well, that's it, isn't it?
It is deadly quiet.
Yeah, to be honest, I can't hear no noise, considering, like you said, it's an A road, so it's always busy.
Yeah, and plus the hotel only has their own restaurant. They don't use like a sister premises. Cause there's a non-Premier Inn Whitbed Group pub just across the way, so they've got their own restaurant downstairs for breakfast. So I think that's the first time we've seen that, isn't it?
Yeah, to be
Yeah,
honest.
'cause it's normally Time or Premier Inn, or Brewers Fare or Beefeaters, etc., isn't it?
Yeah,
So-
or table. It's always a Whitbread group.
Yep.
Right then.
Well, it's nice, isn't it? I must admit.
It is. I can't get over how big it is, to be honest.
There's a lamp.
Yes, there's a light. Right then.
There's not even
Well, that's it for this part of the vlog. Off to the Alhambra. Bye. You say bye.
Bye.
Morning, guys. So we're just going to give you a bit of feedback of our night's sleep and breakfast that we've just had in the Premier Inn restaurant here. So how did you guys sleep last night?
Good.
Yeah, I must admit I thought bed was comfortable.
I wasn't kicking this time.
You weren't kicking. Well, no, from what I hear, you were very peaceful. You know, you weren't fidgeting or nothing, were you? So you were definitely comfortable, weren't you?
Yeah.
So that's good. And it is quiet here with the triple glazing. You do hear the odd truck, but I only heard them at like at 8:30 this morning, going past.
Yeah, I heard him till about midnight
Yeah.
on and off. But it was nothing that was. That would disturb your sleep. Well, saying that we're not like sleepers, so.
Yeah, I'll just put you in because I cut you off.
Don't matter.
Sorry. So yeah, and the actual inside the hotel were quiet. I heard nobody moving around. It's really peaceful, even though the hotel is full because we checked last night to see if there's any spare occupancy. Yeah, and it is full, like the rest of the Premier Inns round here. And they're rammed for Christmas, they are. So we've just had breakfast in the Premier Inn restaurant, and you've got your continental breakfast, and then it's waiter service, so you have to order your hot mains breakfast, which I must admit I'm not a fan of. But then you think of it, if it's a buffet and you're picking it off trays that have been there for ages, it's not freshly made. So, what did you think to it, Millie? Because
It was good.
it was good, and why was it good?
Because it had strawberry yogurt.
Yeah, all your strawberry yoghurt. So, and you had beans and sausage, didn't you?
Yeah. I had a bowl and Nutella.
Yes. And
Yeah, you had a pan of chocolate and Nutella.
Yeah, I love Nutella.
and you had your orange and water, which was ice. So that was all good. So you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we aren't filmed in there because obviously
Yeah.
people are eating,
It was
so...
quite busy, to be honest.
Yeah, and there were loads coming in as we were going out. But they do clear the tables quick, and they do attend to you. And they're friendly staff as well.
Considering how busy it was, we got our hots quite quickly.
Yeah, that's it. We ordered it and we had it, the mains on the table, the hot breakfast. We were in 5 minutes, didn't we? Normally it would take quite a while, but really speedy service. So what did you think to your breakfast, Steph?
It was lovely. The poached egg was absolutely cooked to perfection. It was really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, bacon was spot on. Black pudding was nice, but one slice is enough. It's really rich.
I
Alright.
didn't even try some.
No, you didn't take some, did you?
Anything else?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so I ordered, well, just
What
about
did you
everything
think?
off the menu, and while I was ordering, I was double ordering, because I was in Planet Lulu this morning. I'm half asleep.
Bacon
So-
with normal bacon.
Yeah, bacon with normal bacon. I don't know how I said that, but I meant sausages.
I was going to say, because they do a lot of vegan here, don't they? 'Cause they do-
Yeah.
This is not bacon, and vegan sausages. So
Well, I think there's about 3 types of sausage in there. There's a vegan, and there's another one.
I
and then
saw
the standard
premium
one.
sausage, and I saw
Yeah,
vegan, and then,
well,
there
you
was
just
another
like-
one.
But again,
Why did you say bacon?
I
Then
don't
we meant
know.
normal sausages.
I'm half asleep, Millie, and I've slept that well. I'm half asleep this morning. So yeah, I thought breakfast was really good. It was hot, so and it was freshly cooked.
Yeah.
It does make the difference because the egg had fried eggs as well. They were runny, so I've certainly got to give my hats off to the chef and the staff in there.
My
Oh,
yogurt.
the chef was Bridget. It said it on the board.
My yogurt was cold. The strawberry yogurt was cold from the ice.
Yeah, but you always want cold yogurt.
Yeah.
You don't want warm yogurt.
Right then, so on the feedback of the whole experience for the hotel and the restaurant, would you come here again?
Yeah.
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 I think it was really good, to be honest. I couldn't believe how big the room is.
Yeah.
And like you said, breakfast. Yeah, we've got to order it, so you feel a bit awkward asking for what you want.
But there's benefits because it's freshly cooked.
It's hot, cooked, perfect.
Yeah. So, and obviously we've had experience of beef eaters down in Chessington, and the breakfast there was just a disaster.
Never again.
Even though it's still Whitbread Group.
Yeah.
But even though, well, that's the difference. The breakfast was rubbish there, but the evening meal was brilliant.
Yeah, but the first breakfast we had down there was nice.
Yeah.
Everything was attended to. But
Yeah.
then when it changed, because there's like 2 management teams,
Yeah.
when it changed to the second one, the breakfast the next day was absolutely chaotic.
Disaster, wasn't it? I've never
That's
seen
putting it nice.
I've never seen people queuing for like half an hour for hot food. And that's at the counter because there was no food there waiting for it to be all made. It was just ridiculous.
So much stuff not put out.
Yeah, it was just ridiculous there. But that's one advantage of obviously cooking as you require it. They don't overcook food, so they're not wasting it. Plus also it's prepped and it's fresh. So it does have its benefits, to be honest. I just feel awkward saying 2 sausages, 2 bacon, eggs, hash browns, Friday. You know what I mean? Yeah, you just feel a bit awkward, you know, if you said like, I want 10 sausages, 10 bacon, and some people do.
They did at Chessington. There was a person there when they brought out the hots. They had like a massive mound of a plate with everything on it.
Yeah, it's just eating for the sake of it.
So then the person behind hadn't had anything.
Yeah.
So then it started all over again, waiting for all the hot to come down.
No, it's just ridiculous. It's just pig-headed, really. Yeah, they also had a full load of cereals here, didn't they? Yeah. I think it was about every cereal you could think of. Yeah, porridge, Weetabix, Frosties, Cocoa Pops, cornflakes, muesli. They had everything.
Sure, that's all crunchy nut.
Yeah, the Wilbur. There was all sorts there.
Was the porridge?
Even though it didn't seem as much, did it? The actual areas, 'cause in some, it's a vast area.
Yeah, but even though it was only like in like an L shape, it was quite deep.
Yeah.
Whereas where we've been before, it's been quite shallow but a lot longer.
Yeah. Right then, so I think we'll be coming here again next year because obviously we said earlier in the vlog, well, looks like we'll be coming to see Cinderella with Billy Pears again.
Yeah, I love Billy.
Yeah, so all we've got to really decide is how we're going to go in the stalls where we normally sit. And there is a big risk if you go in the stalls because Billy throws water into the crowd, and he did it 3 times. And he did it in the same spot, and they got absolutely soaked.
And it wasn't just a tiny bit of water.
No, it was buckets of it, and they got soaked, didn't they?
When he was a girl.
See, now sometimes he don't do that though, because sometimes he puts glitter in, so you think
Yeah.
you're going to get water and you get glitter. But
Yeah, but it was water last night, and they got
I
soaked.
got 2 leaves in my pocket.
Right then, I think that's it. We'll get off now because we've got places to go, but we're not vlogging them, so I'm not going to bore you with the details. Right then, so everybody take care, see you soon, and hopefully we'll see you in the next vlog. And also, if you can please like, because it does help the algorithm, so we're actually shown on YouTube more. Obviously subscribe and
Don't
click
The bell.
click the notification bell, because obviously then you're informed when we put a vlog on. So
and if we don't see you before, if we don't do one before Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and
a Happy New Year.